love.
Is she smiling?
Hi. Are you happy? You just pooped on your nana?
She goes, yeah, it kind of feels kind of
Hi.
good.
You did
feels
have
kinda
poo-poo.
good. Quite a few poo-poops. Quite a few choots. Happy girl. Mwah. Look at her hands, Laura. That's amazing. And she's trying to do as much as with her feet as she is with her hands.
Careful, you're going to get a surprise on your lap.
Here's another one. That's okay. That's okay. Not a problem.
Look at her long legs.
I know, I love them. I'm jealous of those long legs.